Hi, so the problem we're working today is from the cost function and the revenue function. So this C up here is the cost function. So that's what the C stands for. And this R stands for the revenue function. And that's this R right there for revenue. So the cost is how much it's going to cost to produce the items that this company is manufacturing. And the revenue is how much they make on the items that they produce. So if we read this question, how many units must be produced and sold in order to break even? The magic words here are break even. Even, even, even. They want to break even. So if they want to break even, then that must mean their cost must equal their revenue. So how we figure that is we take the cost function and we equal it to the revenue function. So we're going to put the cost 4,000 x plus 88,000 equal to the revenue function, which is 12,000 x. And then we are going to solve for x. Here's an x on this side of the equal sign, and here's an x on this side of the equal sign. So we're going to find out what x stands for, and that's going to be your answer. So what we want to do is we want to get x on one side of the equal sign and all the rest of the numbers on the other side of the equal sign. So if we have 4,000x plus 88,000 equals 12,000x. First, let's get all of the x's on one side of the equal sign. So you see this 4,000x? We're going to subtract 4,000x from this side of the equal sign, and we're going to subtract 4,000x from the 12,000 on this side of the equal sign. So this ends up being 0. So this cancels out. This cancels each other out. So now we don't have a 4,000x. And then this 12,000x minus 4,000x is 8,000x. So now we have a new problem. We have 88,000, and I just brought that down from there, equals 8,000x. So now we only have one x, and it's on one side of the equal sign. So now we need to isolate this x, and we need to have the x all by itself on one side of the equal sign. So in order to do that, we're going to divide this 8,000x by 8,000. And what we do on one side of the equal sign, we have to do on the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to divide this by 8,000. So if we divide 8,000x by 8,000, these 8,000s are going to cancel each other out and just leaving x by itself. And then on the other side of the equal sign, if we divide 88,000 by 8,000, that's going to equal 11. So, and we bring this x down here, so 11 equals x. So you're going to need to make 11 products in order to be equal, in order for this function of c to be equal to the function of r. X needs to be 11.